Good evening. This is the third experiment recording session for Advanced Database Lab. So here we are going to explore views and materialize views. So let's get to it. Okay. Um, Wait, let me open the queries. Queries. Yep. Okay, so the first question is create a view, display the customer name, order ID and quantity. So let's do that. Yeah, I have already copied the queries onto a notepad. So I'm just going to copy and paste. Oh, okay, I think I already created it. Okay, we'll slightly we'll slightly modify the names as V11. Okay. So yeah, I already tried out all the queries here. So some of the views are already created. So I'm slightly modifying the names. So instead of view 1, I'm creating view V11. So then what's the second part of the query? Can we insert a row into this query? Let's try that. Insert into V11 values. So what are customer name, order ID? So Sean, comma, order ID would be 110. Ordered quantity. Let's put it at 5000. So we cannot modify the value of that table. That is one of the key points. Okay, I need to copy that also. So no, because a view is actually a virtual table. We cannot actually insert or delete values from it unless a materialized view. A material view actually exists in the hard disk. Okay, so we'll go to the next part. The second query. Review to display the order ID, order date, and the date of delivery. So create view v2 as. Okay, I'll just copy this query. I'll paste it here. I'll change the name to v22 because I already created v2. Okay, created the table. Now the third query would be to create the third one. Yep, create a view with customer name, order ID, and order date. So in that, okay, we'll do that. So v33 view created. Okay. The fourth, yes, the fourth query and fifth query will execute together. It was insert a row into the above view, and we already saw from the first query that it was not possible. Even deleting a query was not possible. So we'll do that. Oh, insert to v33. Yes, cannot modify table. Similarly for delete. Yeah, similarly for delete, we'll copy this query and we'll paste. So the error that's showing here is cannot modify column which maps to non-key preserved table. So that means it's actually we are trying to map it to another view. View 3 is actually made out of view 1 and view 2. So it is a virtual table that is created out of other virtual tables. So that is why it doesn't actually exist. So that also we cannot modify. Hmm. Now later on we come to materialize. Okay, yeah, sixth query we come to materialize views. So in that, okay, I'm copying the query. Hmm. Materialize view. So actually a materialized view is actually resetting the hard disk as I already told. So that's why we can on a materialized view we can make changes. What was the next query? Create a view with check option which contains customer ID, customer name, and product description for the product chair. So create view v44 as select customer ID, customer name from customer order line product where customer ID equal to where we interlink each of the customer ID and we check customer ID is equal to order ID. We're just checking if it's the same row that is matching in both the tables. And then product description like chair with check option. Okay, so we'll copy that also and view created. So this is a view, not a materialized view. Then the next one, create a materialized view. Say staff from supply where a rating is greater than 2. We'll check the questions for the next few. Yes, we are creating materialized views. It contains the details of the suppliers with rating equal to 2. Okay, created. And the next one was quantity greater than 5. Okay, that is also created. These are simple queries. Okay, for the last query, just to create another materialized view that displays all the details of all the customers which belong to the city X with check option. Okay, okay, we'll do that. Okay, so that materialized view is also created. There were other options. Okay, so with that we have executed all the given 9 queries. I still okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you.